Welcome to solverfy.
So we have a black hole and something that's orbiting it. And the period of orbit is 5.0 milliseconds. And somehow we know that the mass of the black hole is 20 times the mass of the sun. And we know the mass of the sun is 1.99 times 10 to the 30th power kilograms. Okay, well, we know that period squared equals 4 pi squared r cubed over gm. We know what m is, we know what g is, and we're trying to figure out r. So if we solve for r, we get gmt squared over 4 pi squared cube root, is r. So we can just put that into a calculator. Square root of 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th power, that's g, times m, 1.99 times 10 to the 30th power, times t squared. We were given t, 5 milliseconds. That's 0.005 seconds. Write that. Dessa, cena, milla. Okay. Times that squared over 4 pi squared. 4 times pi squared. Okay, that gives me, let's look at significant digits. 5.0, that's going to be 2 significant digits. Yep. So that's going to give me, trying to figure out where to write this. Okay, there we go. 9.2 times 10 to the 6th power meters. And that is not the right answer because I took the square root, not the cube root. So let me actually use the cube root on this one. So if you find that you made a mistake, just look for your problem, for the difficulty. That one was obvious. However, I'm not sure it's the only one because now I'm getting 44,000 meters, which again does not appear to be the right answer. So let's look at what I did here. T squared is 4 pi squared r cubed over gm. That looks good. So now it's going to be gmt squared over 4 pi squared. And we just take the cube root of it. Man, this should be an easy one. Let's look what I put in the calculator. The cube root of g times m times 0.005 seconds squared over 4 pi squared. I don't see an error in what I wrote here. Oh, I didn't use 20 times the mass of the sun. So I need to multiply by 20. The 20 up there, I even circled it. Okay, now I've got the right answer. To 2 significant digits, It is 1.2 times 10 to the 5th power meters. So 2 mistakes, but they were pretty easy to figure out. 1.2 times 10 to the 5th power meters.